Send money to school now allows you to pre-order meals for your children. Begin by logging into your account. Once logged in, click the Your Children tab. A list of your children will be displayed. Click on the Order button for the child you will be ordering for. Available pre-order dates are shown here. Select a date, then choose a meal. Once you select a meal, a checkmark will be placed next to the date showing you the order has been received. If you change your mind, you can click the item again to clear it or select a different item. Continue selecting dates and meals. When all orders have been placed, press the Done button. You can now place orders for another child, by once again selecting the Order button next to their name.